Located in central Romania, the Advent Center at Verovoi is a true education training center. And we've been operating for the last year here out of the main cabin, which we finished building in March, as well as here in the garden center. And if you haven't already been following along, feel free to go to our Instagram and get caught up on kind of the journey we've had so far. But it's been a long year. We've been running a training center, and we've been learning different skills ranging from gardening, construction, and also missional entrepreneurship. It's a beautiful location that we're located here, and if you go through our Instagram, you'll be able to see really just a lot of the activity that we put, as well as the outcome that we've had, including even a baptism, including just a lot of number of people learning new skills and starting new businesses. And so with this, what I wanted to do is kind of start introducing a little bit more the projects that we're working on currently here. Again, this is a true education training center with the idea that we're now kind of moving into the fall term. And in this, we have based our curriculum on the quote from education: to restore in man the image of his maker, to bring him back into the perfection in which he was created, and to promote the development of body, mind, and soul, that the divine purpose in his creation may be realized. This was the work of redemption. This is the object of true education, the great object of life. And so this idea of restoration, development, and realization, it really becomes the framework for what we're working through. One of the main pieces that we've been after we've moved to the gardening concept, one of the things that we started off on was learning how to build. And so we started with a doghouse, and then we moved to a chicken coop, and then we moved to a small shed. And then each of the students were given the task of actually building their own cabin. And so these are the models that we put together. The idea of this model is that it really allows for just a very low amount of waste and a very easy build. And so you'll kind of be able to see this here. We've actually finished these models, and we're now able to kind of take a tour through.
E de aici, dacă să e de aici și aruncă mult acolo.
Păi, dar nu trebuie să le adăugate.
Ha?
Mă
Bă, trebuie să curățăm și pe aia.
The building that you see them building here is the kitchen, as well as the community room, as well as student lockers and the utility room for water and electric. This is the first time that we've been building out of a cement foundation, pier block or a cement block foundation, and we're now learning about split level housing. So this is a new challenge for the students, but also something that they've been excited to take on and have done a really great job. The building we see here is the student bathrooms and student laundry rooms. And so this is another project the students have built fully on their own. And both of these, we've now been learning about plumbing, electrical, and have been able to build these in pretty rapid amount of time. This will allow us to, because none of the cabins down by the river have restrooms, this will give us the restrooms that we need as well as the laundry rooms that we need in order for the student housing.
Încolo. Nu! Poate! Este puțin deasupra de...